Welcome back to the channel.
It is actually kind of early. It's about 7:30 in the morning. But we live here, so we're like, why are we sleeping in?
Yeah, we're doing the checkout day at the Luxor.
Yeah, so if you guys like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button.
Come get lost with us. If you wanted to see it, here was our studio for the last 3 days. This is the brightest spot in the entire apartment. Well, hotel room. Every place else is super dark.
Let's go.
Heading out. Here is the inside of the hotel at 7 in the morning. It's dead. There's not anything going on. There's like one worker down there eating. Another angle. And Icy pointed out too, Starbucks isn't even open, which is kind of weird. There's another Starbucks though by the lobby that's probably open, but yeah.
Well, if somebody wants breakfast.
Doesn't start till 10. Most of the stuff here actually doesn't open until like 9 or 10.
It's crazy.
Right? Vegas. These are what your room numbers look like. In case you're wondering, it's kind of neat. It's got a little pyramid thing on it. Here's a map for the casino. We just had a fun experience leaving. So Nacy prepaid for the parking. And step one, it says to put your parking ticket in. But if you do that, it won't let you pay. And then our room keys wouldn't let us go for some reason. So she had to pull it up in the app and get the barcode and scan it. And we had to call the person to be like, well, you don't put your ticket in if you prepay, apparently, even though it says to. And then you have to do all, it's like, just let us out. Just let us out.
So they can collect double the parking fees.
Yeah, exactly. And then you leave, and then they're definitely not going to refund it. Vegas, baby. They're trying to get every dime out of you anymore. So anybody who has a Vegas is cheap idea in their mind from back in the day, that's no longer the place that this is anymore.
Throw it out the damn window.
But we finally got out of the garage after about 10 minutes of messing around with the parking machine. And we are on our way to maybe get some breakfast. We'll see how the day progresses. We made a stop at Chick-fil-A to grab some breakfast. I got my chicken biscuits and some hash browns. Nacy wasn't hungry, so she just got an iced tea. Whoop, whoop. We got home, took some naps, rested up a little bit, and we just ordered some California Pizza Kitchen for dinner. And this is the box they put our salad in. I don't think it could be any fuller. We got some Bang Bang Scrimp.
Pizza.
And a pizza. That was out of Nacy.
And I got something to back it up in case I can't eat it. So I have a sensitive tummy.
Future Gary here, just editing the video. And basically, the end of this day, we just did some more errands. We've been doing a lot of errands lately, trying to get the house ready and the apartment ready to turn over, getting stuff set up, all that fun stuff. So what I'm going to do is give you all the option to see a little bit of a pre-show. So we taped before we actually went to the Luxor as well. So that evening, we did some stuff and we taped that for you too. So I'm going to put that next. But I've got to say the Luxor stay, really amazing. It's definitely a one-off. I know that a lot of people say that it's run down. And a lot of people are sort of upset that we didn't get as negative, I guess, as we could have been with the video. I mean, the biggest things for us is the room was a little bit outdated. There was no outlets or USB ports in there. And yeah, it needs an update. It needs a refurb for sure. But it really is a really cool experience. The elevator is something you'll never experience in your life unless you go to basically, it's not really an elevator, it goes sideways almost. It's really, really cool experience and something that you should try out because if you come to Vegas, that's one of the sort of one-off casinos. Caesar has the theming down, but Luxor has this really, really cool experience that I don't think you're going to get anywhere else. And it's connected to Mandalay Bay and the Excalibur, so you're able to use all of those things while you're still there. You know, you could go see Carrot Top, Blue Man Group, you could go see the Tournament of Kings like we did. There's a bunch of options. So now, check out our checking in process and the day before when we headed down to the Strip to check in.
All right, so we are going to be doing a staycation down here on the Vegas Strip. So we're pretty excited about that. We're going to go down for 2 days. We're going to go stay at the Luxor because Gary has always wanted to stay in the pyramid. So we got a pyramid suite room, which I'm really excited to go check out. But before we do that, we got to pack. So I'm going to work on packing. I just ordered us some dinner from DoorDash because we're going to be gone for 2 days. So I was like, why buy food from the grocery store at this point? So I'm gonna work on some packing. We're gonna get our food, and Gary's gonna pack a little bit as well, and we're gonna show you guys a little bit of the progress that we've made moving wise so far, what we've kind of gotten rid of. We've gotten rid of a few things, thankfully. Some things have still just been really hard to get rid of, but yeah, so that's what we're doing tonight. All right, so I have finished packing my clothes for the next 2 days. Now I just need to add in our toiletries. This has got all my pump stuff in it, because I can't go anywhere without my medical device stuff. Makeup brushes. Very important things. And what I like about this duffel bag is that it has like this whole underneath compartment that I can put like shoes or like anything extra and just kind of expand. So getting that squared away, and we just got our food. We got drinks from Sonic, and then we got Jersey Mike's sandwiches. So that is dinner for tonight. Yeah. So Gary's just finishing editing some stuff upstairs, and then he's gonna come downstairs, we'll eat dinner, and then we'll show you guys the rest of what we have packed. There's Gary, working away. He's being Mr. Super Businessman. Told you, he's always busy.
What's up?
I just said, there's Gary, working away.
Yeah, I'm in Las Vegas home vlog.
You excited for our trip to the Strip?
I am. I'm excited to ride the elevator in the Luxor around, so that's going to be the most exciting part of it for me.
I think that's where I'm going to find him all night long. I'll be like, where are you at? He'll be like, I'm going to play in the elevator. But yeah, once he gets done with this, then we're going to go eat dinner and show you guys the rest of the stuff. So I don't know what kind of sub Gary got, but I got the turkey club because it has bacon on it, and I never get chips at the restaurant because I figure I have chips at home. And I just discovered these Snyder's Twisted Jalapeno Ranch, and they are delicious. Like, they're not spicy at all, and the flavor really isn't very ranchy either. I don't really know how to describe it, but it is probably one of the best flavored pretzels I've found to date that Snyder's makes. Second behind that is the honey mustard one, and then the buffalo style one. Those are my other two favorites that they make. But yeah, I found these and they are delicious.
Well, I just got done eating dinner. I came downstairs. I've been editing our... Gosh, which one was I editing? I've edited 4 in the last hour. I was editing our Las Vegas day, actually, another Las Vegas day video where we did eating and kind of detailed what kind of equipment we use for the vlogging as well as the podcast. So if you want to see that stuff, check down in the show notes. But Jersey Mike's was good. I like their subs. Super tasty. We either get them or Capriati's, but Capriati's only really makes a good Philly cheesesteak, and then they make this turkey one that Nacy kind of likes, but now that she's on that Ozempic shot, doesn't really do well in her stomach, so we tend to go with like Jersey Mike's right now. Next is packing, as you can see on the couch. Laid out some clothes, getting ready to go to the Luxor, or as they know now, the Dorito. Well, we got some packing done. We got all of our cups done. We got most of the stuff on the table packed, which is pretty impressive. And now we're just kind of taking a break, hanging out on the couch. Macy's watching some YouTube. How's your night going?
It's 1:20 in the morning and the internet said no more and kicked us offline, so.
Yeah. So look at all the mess we gotta still pack.
Yeah,
we're working through it.
We gotta go through the mugs. I only have 3 mugs, and I think you only have. I think you might have 6 mugs.
I'll whittle them down.
Yeah. But we packed that box is full of stuff, and that box is full of my Starbucks cups. So I might only have 3 mugs, but I got 20 Starbucks cups.
Yep.
But yeah, so we got most of the table cleared off. So yeah, I was just telling Gary I don't know what I'm gonna pack next, but I'll think about it because we got a couple days.
Yeah, heading upstairs to get some sleep. We'll see you guys tomorrow as we head to MGM Luxor. Well, got up this morning, did some trash, got some stuff thrown out from last night because we did some packing, so we got some extra stuff that we need to get rid of. I'm getting ready, loaded the car up pretty much, ready to go down to the Strip because we're staying at the Luxor or the Dorito tonight, which I'm super excited for. I've wanted to stay there since we moved here, and I'm hoping it's going to be a good experience. Nancy's getting ready. She had to do some business stuff, so she was sending emails and stuff this morning, and now she's taking a shower. It's about noon, so hopefully we'll be leaving soon. You can hear her, well, you might be able to hear her, but she's upstairs listening to music as she gets ready. Really excited. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. We enjoyed our stay at the Luxor. The checkout process was very smooth. It's all online. We actually left a little bit early because we wanted to get some stuff done with the house. But again, like I was talking about earlier, it is a once in a lifetime experience. And if you have the option, definitely do it. I can't stress the elevator going up and down. I know Nacy in the first scene said that, oh, she couldn't feel it. But by the second time, it's pretty obvious that you're going kind of sideways. And it's really trippy and really, really different. So if you never have that experience, you're missing out. Because I've rode in a ton of elevators. We again stayed at like hotels for 2/3 of the year last year. This was definitely a different experience. The tub towards the window was not something for the mobility hindered people. If you have any mobility issues, you might not want to try to use the tub in that room because it is very hard to get in and out of. But if you can, it's a really fun experience too. You get to sit there in the tub and see all of Vegas, including the mountains and everything else around you. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you get notified to at least 3 videos a week. And to the 80-some% viewers out there who aren't subbed, please consider subbing, and I'm sure your favorite YouTubers would love that too. And as we always say, we'll come and get you for the next one. Ain't that the truth? Baby Ruth. Bye, everybody.